dry, brittle, and thinning hair. These are struggles millions of women face every day. We try shampoos, serums, and oils, yet nothing seems to truly repair our hair from the roots. But what if the secret wasn't new? What if it was ancient? Today, we're unveiling a hidden gem from ancient Ayurvedic and African hair traditions, Fenugreek Hair Butter, a creamy, nutrient-rich blend that transforms hair from weak to wonderful, using one of nature's most powerful herbs, fenugreek. Our modern lifestyles are harsh on our hair. Pollution, stress, heat styling, and chemicals strip away natural oils. Over time, the scalp becomes inflamed, follicles weaken, and breakage begins. Instead of just coating the hair, fenugreek works on a cellular level, feeding the scalp, stimulating roots, and restoring balance. It's more than a moisturizer. It's medicine for your hair. Fenugreek, or methi, is a small golden seed used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. Known for its high protein, nicotinic acid, and phytoestrogens, it's a natural stimulant that encourages hair growth while reducing shedding. Fenugreek's secret lies in its mucilage, a natural conditioner that coats hair strands, locking in moisture and leaving them silky smooth. To make our fenugreek hair butter, you'll need main ingredients: 3 tablespoons fenugreek seeds, 1/2 cup coconut oil, 2 tablespoons castor oil, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons almond oil, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil, optional, 1/2 cup raw shea butter or mango butter. A few drops of essential oil, peppermint, lavender, or rosemary. Each oil has a purpose: coconut and olive oil for nourishment, castor for thickness, almond for shine, and jojoba for scalp balance. Combined with fenugreek, they create a powerful growth and repair blend. Start by soaking fenugreek seeds overnight. This softens them and releases the mucilage. The next morning, blend the soaked seeds into a smooth paste using a little water or coconut milk. In a small pan, gently heat coconut oil and add the paste. Stir on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes until the oil begins to turn golden. This is your fenugreek-infused oil, the essence of our butter. Strain through a fine cloth and let it cool. You've just captured nature's most potent hair growth elixir. Next, melt your shea or mango butter using the double boiler method. Once melted, add your fenugreek oil, castor oil, olive oil, and almond oil. Mix thoroughly. Now comes the fun part, whipping. As air incorporates, the texture turns soft and silky. Your very own fenugreek hair butter is born. Finally, add a few drops of peppermint or rosemary essential oil for stimulation and freshness. To use, take a small amount and massage it gently onto your scalp and along the hair length. Focus on your ends, they're the most fragile. For protective styles, apply the butter before braiding or twisting. It locks in moisture and prevents breakage. Here's what makes fenugreek hair butter a miracle for hair growth and restoration. Stimulates follicles. Its proteins and iron strengthen roots and encourage new growth. Prevents dandruff. Fenugreek's antifungal and anti-inflammatory compounds soothe scalp irritation. Stops hair fall. Lecithin deeply nourishes and repairs damaged follicles. Adds shine and softness. The mucilage acts as a natural conditioner. Improves thickness. Castor oil and fenugreek together thicken each strand over time. Within weeks of consistent use, you'll notice reduced shedding, faster growth, and a soft, healthy sheen that feels completely natural. For best results, combine fenugreek hair butter with a holistic hair care ritual, a clean scalp, herbal rinse, balanced diet, and proper hydration. You can even pair this butter with Ayurvedic oils like amla or brahmi for deeper nourishment. Nature has always offered the answers, we only have to listen. Fenugreek hair butter isn't just a product. It's a ritual of self-care, patience, and healing. When you return to natural wisdom, your hair responds with strength and beauty. Try making your own batch today, 100% natural, 100% effective. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY Ayurvedic and herbal beauty recipes.